Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to stop people sharing your WhatsApp status. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! We all love sharing little moments on WhatsApp, but sometimes you want those updates to stay just between you and the people you actually meant to share them with. WhatsApp status feature makes it easy to post short live updates that disappear after 24 hours, but others can reshare status if the low sharing option is turned on. This can spread your content beyond your intended audience. So, what if you want to just turn off this feature? Don't want people resharing your status? It's very simple. First of all, of course, we have to open our WhatsApp. After that, from here, you can go to setting by clicking on the upper right corner, the three dots over here. Select on settings. From settings, you can go to privacy. From privacy, you can go to status, and you'll find there is an option allow sharing. So let people who can see your status reshare and forward it. And if you don't want people reshare or repost your WhatsApp status, you can just simple turn off this feature. So now no one can reshare your uh, WhatsApp status without your permission. It's very simple, right? So that is how to stop people resharing your WhatsApp status. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.